Yeah, and today I'm going to do a video of Floppy Bird. I couldn't get the real app now. It costs money still. I don't know why. I'm not very good. My high score is 17. I can do it moving if I like. I know. No! Don't dare put me on another ad. Stupid thing. Yes. You can try moving. Could you actually get through the first part without moving? No! You suck. No! Yes! It counted as one! Yes! Oh, once it actually went black and white and I'm like, what? What's going on? Oh my god. It's going too slow, this Flappy Bird. It should go faster. This is going way too slow for me. I don't like you. I'm going moving. Can he get past the second pipe then? That was no fair. Stop showing stupid ads. This is annoying. Just on here it's very glitchy, so I can't really see what's happening. So I'm not playing very well. Like that was terrible. Come on. This time he's actually going to make it. He's actually going to get a better score than I did last time. No, what? I jumped and I died. No, this is the annoying part. I didn't like this. Yes. No! 2. I got past 2. That's better. It just says the classic one and the moving one counts as the same. I don't know why. No. Just. Yes. 9. No! 10! No! No! Come on. Get further through. No! No double clicking. I hate you. That's so sad. Stop dying. Don't care if you die now. I want you to die. So I can call you Flappy Bird Humper. Stupid thing. No! Stop this stupid thing. You gotta make it. You gotta make it with the gold Flappy Bird. 3 coins? Come on. How could you? This is probably going to be my last go. Or I'll do last 3 now. Boom. 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 Yeah. Just don't laugh at me when I'm failing so much, because I'm so bad at this. I'll show you next time when I get a high score. A new one. I can do some more Flappy Birds if you like. And this is my last final one. No, don't do this to me. Come on. You can make it through the first pipe. Doo-doo. Yes. Damn it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you all enjoyed, and goodbye.